What we're going to take a look at in this video is how to use what's called a VLOOKUP formula. It's a really simple but very effective tool that we can use within Google Sheets to help us organize and sort of automatically sort information. So what a VLOOKUP essentially does is vertically looks up a column for a specific piece of information, matches it in a range such as this, and then pulls through some corresponding information to that sort of code and puts it into here for us. So we're going to be looking, for example, for the product that this code matches. So for example, for product number 1, we're going to be looking for it to bring through Apple and put it into here for us. So to do this, we're going to type equals VLOOKUP. We're first going to select the range where our criteria is, which is here, like that. So we want the information that we're going to use as a search key, if you like. Put a comma, and then we're going to go and we're going to select the range from this sheet. So that will look like this, because what we want to do is you want to select the column where the search key is that we want to match, which is the first one here, and then the rest of the range is information that you can then bring through. So how you need to view it is we're taking this product code and we're going to match it against the product codes here, and then everything on this row we can bring through and import into this sheet and match all the information. In this formula here, the first row in this range needs to be the search key that we're looking for. So, you know, product code could be in B and we could have some stuff for it, but we would just need to make sure that the first section in this range is the product that we're looking for, is the product code that we're looking for. So what we do from then is we want to select which column we want to bring through. So what we're looking for here is the product. So 2 is what we're looking for, and as you can see up here, it's got Apple already. Put a 0 in there and hit enter, and it's going to bring it through like that. What we want to do though is we want to obviously bring it through for every row. So we're going to use what's called an array formula. Now I do have a video on an array formula on my channel, so if you want to learn a little bit more about that, then go and check it out, but we'll do it anyway here. So what we're going to do is Control Shift and enter, and it's going to input this array formula in the front of our formula for us. Now if we hit enter on there, what you're going to see is this. It's going to pull through all the information for us perfectly, but it's also going to put these horrible hashtag NA errors all the way down, which we don't want. So to get rid of that, simple solution, we're going to use an if, and we're going to say if A2 equals nothing, two speech commas like that, then put nothing. However, if there is something in A2, then we want you to run this VLOOKUP, and doing that will make it look nice and neat like this. And if we put something new in here, it's going to pull us through the correct piece of information automatically. Now from there, what we're going to do is we're going to do something a little bit different, a little bit more advanced, is we're actually going to now use this in a sum. So we're just going to copy the formula across, because we still want this product code, we still want this list in this range, but as we took column B, which is the second column, so we put 2 in, we're going to take column 3. Now it's important to note that it is the column in your range. So if these were moved across here like this and our range was here, it's still column 2 and column 3 even though it's C and D, because it's the column from your range, not the column from the sheet. So now we put 3 in instead of 2, as you can see there, we've got the cost. So we'd pull through this column. However, this is just the cost of each individual item. So what we need to do is we need to input something which can help use the amount that they've ordered to give us the actual cost of their total order. So, a couple of simple things. We're looking at this array formula to bring through a product number, and then we're looking at using an array formula with a sum and a calculation to do us a little bit more. I'll put both of these formulas into the description for you, and if you've got any questions, just put a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.